Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, did you know that the sound quality of your music isn't just about your headphones or speakers? So, a lot of it comes down to the settings inside your Amazon Music app. Whether you are basically an audiophile chasing every last detail in Ultra HD, or you just want your music to sound crisp and even clear, changing the audio quality makes a huge difference, but here's a catch. The highest quality settings are only available to Amazon Music Unlimited subscribers. If you have a Prime account, you will have fewer options. So in today's multi-tutorial, we're gonna go through how to change audio quality in Amazon Music, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, we're gonna go and start with the mobile app first. You just go ahead and open Amazon Music on your iPhone or Android device, then look for the settings gear icon on most devices. It's usually in this top left corner, but sometimes you will find it in the top right or Android profile menu. Just go ahead and tap it. Also in the settings menu, scroll down to the section labeled playback or audio quality. Tap on streaming audio quality or music quality. This is where the magic happens. You will see separate options for Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is important because you might want like high quality at home but lower quality on basically if you are going out to save data, and that's actually good. You can then choose your preferred quality if you want standard, high, ultra HD, whatever you want. Just go ahead and pick it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.